What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be replacing the battery terminals on the 91 Sport here. As you can see, I'm not going to be able to basically wire up my nice amp. I want to be able to wire this up, so we're going to take this off, and then I noticed this is totally coming apart, so we're going to make a new wire out of this, and then also just redo these. And this is what I got. Got these style terminals, so that'll slide in there, and then I can just redo all the ends with these guys, and then they'll all kind of go on here like so, and just make for just a cleaner install. So we're going to be redoing some wiring that needs some help, and yeah, so okay. Nice. All right. Just get the battery out of the way so I got some room to work. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Got all that junk. So now we can kind of start cutting away at this stuff here. Okay, like that. Okay, so we're gonna have it up like that. I think this will be a good, yep, that'll be the good right size. So we'll cut it to right about there. We can go this size, yeah. Okay, all we gotta do is keep this guy up. So that was pretty simple. Boop, just like that, and that'll kind of come around and click on there. So that's good. So this wire we're completely redoing because this is totally shot. It's already shot right there. So I'm going to cut this wire. Extend it a little. Actually, I think this green wire is a little bit beefier. Better gauge. Yeah, use the green wire. To there. No idea what this goes to, but Okay, get it right in there. Try not to melt this end here. It's gonna be a little tricky. Just like I rotate this, it'll be good. Perfect. All right. Put a little red guy on that. Tidy it up nicely. Sweet. Okay, and then I do have this guy here that I'm going to use. Crimp it on there, and then this will go from there onto the battery. So we'll go ahead and put another one of these guys on here. Get the blue one. Very good. Put that over like that. Sweet. All right, so we got a repair cable done. Goes from this plug here to the battery terminal. Okay. All right, out with the old junk. Yeah, sweet. So that'll do like that. It's actually raining a little bit. Nice. Excellent. So we got all three of these done. Let's kind of get this back into place. Got this one first. Okay, this one fits on here. So this one's gonna go right in between here. Alrighty. So I kind of have this all figured out. Got this side done. Got this done. So I'm gonna cut this is going to the amp here. I'm gonna probably stick the fuse right there. So I'm gonna bring this around. Maybe, I don't want too crazy of a bend, but something like that. So, and then I'm just gonna Velcro it to here. It does come with, you can like screw it onto there. I don't want to keep the rust away as much as possible, so I don't want to add any holes. So clean this area off a little bit. We'll cut this to size. Okay, that'll be good there. And we will just cut this about there. Sweet. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll stick that on there. I like that. That cut pretty good. And that will help. Okay. Okay, now we will do the yeah, that's nice. Sweet. That looks good. Nice down, compact in there, not going anywhere. And then we'll just route this guy. I'm gonna complete the super clean look. Super clean. Glad I did that. That looks very nice. Look at that. All right, so we got the terminals on, all the wires. We redid this wire, which I'm not sure what that was for, but we got that good. Got the grounds done, got the fuse mounted. We got it nice and close to the battery, which is good. And then we got this cable running all the way through. And then on this Cherokee, there was a unused grommet here. So I just drilled a hole through the grommet, stuck the wire through, and then I just pulled it through, had it coming down here, and I have it all running on the inside of here under the carpet. And then I have power wire right here. We got the ground, and got the 9 wire coming through here as well. Got to rewire all of this. And then I also am going to reuse the factory metal mount that sits on top of the original factory radio. I bought an aftermarket one. It just did not fit right. So I have it set to here. It does tilt up and down when it comes off that screw. So I might just hot glue this or drill and tap a hole here, and then that way I'll have a more sturdy setup here. But yeah, that's probably gonna do it for the video. We got that done. Next video will be hooking the amp up, and then we'll probably do a sound test. I'll probably finish that up in that time. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you needed to redo your battery terminals and run a power wire for your amp. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.